Good day everyone, I will discuss the requirements to be complied by a ship under MARPOL Annex 4, 5, and 6. First is the MARPOL Annex 4, which regulation for the prevention of sewage from ships. So to which all ship does Annex 4 apply to? MARPOL Annex 4 apply to all ship which are 400 gross tonnage and above in international voyages, to ship that less 400 gross tonnage certified to carry more than 10 persons. For treatment and discharge of sewage, vessels are fitted with some equipment for the purpose of preventing pollution by sewage. And I'll tell you one of them. The sewage treatment plant. Sewage treatment plant is used to treat sewage on board the ship. Next is discharge criteria for sewage. The discharge of sewage allowed only when treated in a sewage treatment plant, even if the vessel is 3 or 12 nautical miles from the nearest land. Next is the special area. Baltic Sea as the first special area for Annex 4. When a vessel is in Baltic Sea, the discharge of sewage is allowed only when treated in a sewage treatment plant, even if the vessel is 3 or 12 nautical miles from the nearest land. So the primary objective of MARPOL Annex 4 is to prevent and control pollution of the sea by sewage from ship by prohibiting the discharge of untreated sewage into the sea, with specific exception and for treated. Next is the MARPOL Annex 5, regulation for the prevention of pollution by garbage from ship. MARPOL Annex 5 begin with the objective to reduce and eliminate the amount of garbage being dumped into the sea from ship. Now let us look at the special areas per Annex 5. First is the Mediterranean Sea, Baltic Sea, Black Sea area, Red Sea area, Gulf Sea area, North Sea area, the wider Caribbean region, and last is Antarctic area. So the important thing are the categories of garbage as per Annex 5. Shipboard generated garbage is grouped in some categories. It's all kinds of plastic, food waste, domestic waste, cooking oil, incinerator ashes, operational waste, and cargo residues. Next is the garbage record book. All ship of 400 gross tonnage and above, every ship which certified and maintain a garbage record book. Next is the garbage management plant. All ships of 100 gross tonnage and above, and every ship which certified to carry 15 persons, and every fixed or floating platform shall carry a garbage management plant. And next is the MARPOL Annex 6, which regulation for the prevention of air pollution. It's important because if the fuel burns, it produces exhaust gas, and this exhaust gas contains sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, particulate matter, volatile organic compound, and last is ozone depleting substances. And here are some requirements under MARPOL Annex 6. First is the emission limits for SOx and NOx. Emissions are limited to 0.50% globally and 0.10% in emission areas since 2020, while NOx emissions are regulated through tier system. Next is fuel control content. Ship operating outside DECAs are required to use fuel oil with the content exceed 0.50%. Next is ECA, emissions control area. These are specific area where strictened regulation for SOx and NOx emissions, including the Baltic Sea and North Sea. And the last that have IAP certifications are important for demonstrating expertise and credibility in the field of data privacy. The primary objective of MARPOL Annex 6 is to prevent air pollution from ships by stabilizing regulation and standards for controlling various pollutants emitted from ships. And that's all. Thank you for watching.